Hi everyone, this side Mukesh Kumara. Welcome to my channel Cyber Dooms. Today we're gonna learn about the cyber security, like how to start your career in cyber security in next 2023 or the upcoming year. What are the jobs opportunities are available, and how you can make your career more brighter in cyber security. Of course, it's a hot topic to discuss, and to learn more about this thing is more curious. Like you have seen in other YouTube channels also, like how to hack social media websites, how to hack the websites and network part and servers and different infrastructure also. But the thing is that we don't get a proper guidance. What are the things we have to learn? And mainly, if we focus for the non-technical background peoples, okay, like they are coming from non-technical background, they don't have any idea like what to do and what not to do. I got lots of DMs, lots of questions, particularly that how to start career, what are the things that we have to learn, what are the basic core skills we require to get a job, if there is an opportunity to go for internship and then go for the jobs, and what are the pay scale, salary. Like these are the things very commonly asked. You can also search on Google, you will get lots of different options are available, but we got distracted. The thing is that cybersecurity is available free on different website portals. There you can go learn, research on it. You will get lots of material and even lots of paid content also you will get it in free of cost. Maybe a e-video part, e-PDF books. Lots of options are available. But where to start from, when to start, and what are the timing you have to set up. So these are the some questions comes. I will compromise in a different part of series in this channel, and you will learn properly that what are the options you have to go. So today we'll just discuss what is cybersecurity is and what are the core skills you have to learn in cybersecurity. So if you talk about cybersecurity, what is all simply you can say it's a digital security that we are providing. In that you have different options are available. Basically, we can say our personal information we should to be secure. It can be on any format. If you talk about on social media websites, we have our personal informations like email ID, phone number, address, where you are going, date of birth. These are the things. If you have not settings into the save in the public part, or you have just not saved into the private, so you have to save that thing into the private option, so that only your friends only can see the details, and you can hide your date of birth and address and mail ID, or maybe you can just add phone number and then you can hide it. So if you have a business page, you can go through with the mail ID and phone number only and the address on your business page. But what about the others, informations that we are uploading or having secure on banking websites, some trading website we are using, or some potential website you are visiting on a daily basis for blog readings and watching entertainment videos or some educational purpose. So these are the different sectors there we are uploading our personal informations, and that will be more critical as perspective of your privacy part. So that thing we have to understand more in a serious approach. Let's suppose we don't are using any laptop or digital systems through which we can access internet, but at least everybody have a smartphone. So through smartphone also we can grab lots of information. As ethical hacker, I can also grab lots of information from different applications that we are using. We have different type of messaging applications like WhatsApp, Telegram, we have Signal, we have Snapchat, we have Facebook Messenger, and different websites. Apart from that, we are also having e-commerce website. From there, you are doing on a daily basis some shoppings, having any informations that is in the store. So their personal addresses are stored, home or office addresses are stored. So that is also important to secure. Your credit card and debit card information, your UPI IDs that we are using to do online transaction nowadays, that is also important. We have to be aware about if we are getting some QR code or any link for the payment, we don't have to do without verification. Lots of things, we generally ignore, but this is important in terms of your personal information security on online presence on internet. So that is what we do. So as an ethical hacker, we are responsible to secure this thing. As a cybersecurity specialist or analyst, you have to work on this process, that how you can secure the digital softwares and applications and products so that customers or client information should be secured in a proper manner. So that is the word we call it cyber security. Now, what is the important things we have to learn, or you can say what are the core skills we require? So as per my suggestion, what I have learned from my past, that is we have to learn first the computer fundamentals, which is important, so that you can understand the flow of internet. You can understand that how data is transferred from one system to another system. Second, you can go for Linux operating system and my Windows operating system to understand the fundamental of operating system, like how the application is giving the response when a user click to watch a video, to visit a website. These are the things. So that's how you can understand the process and working of operating system. Then only you can able to identify the file system. You can identify the loophole that is very required as a basic fundamentals. Then you can go for computer fundamentals, in which you can understand the what is hardware, what is software, it is how application is working, how internet is working, how RAM memory is working, how the data is stored into your system or mobile, that thing. So that is the third thing. Coming with the fourth part is about the server and operating system. You can say that you can use it. So in server operating system we have Windows based or Linux operating system, on which we can host multiple websites or run multiple services like mail server, FTP server. We have SSS is there, DHCP and DNS that we use to host a website or get a dynamic IP address through a DHCP server. So these are the topics and their particular network process, that how the protocols are working. These are the things we have to learn in detail part. Then you can move to the malwares, like how malwares is like if you can say malware is a malicious software that we use to steal some information or damage the system. So how this application is work, how a hacker is building that application, what kind of source code they are using, like a programming language. Okay. Also, yeah, the next point is the programming language. It is a one important area that we have discussed. Lots of question I got, like if I'm entering in cyber security or cloud career path also. So should I know the programming language as a basic or as an initial start? So I must say it is not necessary for as a beginner level or as a fresher level. But if you know, that is a plus point you will get. The reason behind is that because when we are finding some vulnerability or testing an application, if we don't know on which programming language the application is code or built, so how we can decode the flow of data and find some vulnerability. So if you talk about website vulnerabilities, that is built on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In the backend we have PHP, Python, Node.js. These are the applications programming we use. So if you don't know the flow, if you don't know the syntax, we cannot able to find bugs. So that is a one limitation we got. So that thing we have to learn. As a fresher, if you want to start for a website or bug bounty program, you should go for the JavaScript is a main priority, and understand the database. That is the second priority in terms of learning programming language, because all the data is stored on database. You can go for only you can run MySQL or go for any SQL query to understand the basics fundamentals of database, and then you can start your core work on the cyber security, like what are the cyber attacks is there, how the fundamental is working, what is confidentiality, integrity and availability, what is 4A, that is authentication, availability is there, okay, authorization is there, accessibility is there. So how this thing is actually working, how the multi-factor authentication is working, and how the different type of small attacks, but it is very important, like phishing attack, password attack is there, spam mails, how these things work. So this is a part of security fundamentals that we have to learn. So this is the one by one you can start learning. Lots of free resources are available. Some of the links I will provide you in the my description, so you can go through and check out it. Then you can plan a roadmap. Step by step you can learn the things, understand the concepts, and then you can move to the advanced level of cyber security. You can go for a website pen tester, you can go for network or server pen tester, you can go, you start your career in cloud security also, or you want to go into hardware part, Then you can go for IoT security or OT, or you can say like SCADA or PLC security. That how this thing works, how the hackers are hacking. Mainly, it is a part of infrastructure 4.0. That is a we have generation. So in which we have all the hardware is coming, like car hacking, satellite hacking, drone hacking is there. So these are the options are available, but that is little bit advanced level. As a fresher, you can go and map this thing, and in upcoming year in 2023, you can plan and work on this approach. So these are the things that I have discussed. Now in the upcoming series of videos, I will discuss each topic, each core in a detailed approach, like what we have to learn in computer networks, what are the basic things required as initial, because you can see the core skill that I have really which have a very broader, approach and broader knowledge we have to give. So again, there we have to limitize ourselves that these are the things we have to learn, these are the things we have to not to learn. As it can goes to other job profiles in IT, so that thing we have to maintain. And this is all for my side. Of course, you have get a little idea as a non-technical person or as a fresher if you want to start career in 2023 and upcoming part for your future perspective. So hope you have liked it. We will meet into the next session. So thank you.